Welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to set paycheck-based savings bucket in Credit Karma Money. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So for this, you need to simply start before you begin. So if you open your Credit Karma, all you gotta do is simply make sure that Credit Karma is not something that offers you a specific bucket feature, but you can create a similar system by using automatic transfers from your paycheck to your Credit Karma Money Save account. So the key is to schedule these transfers to coincide with your payday so the money is saved immediately. So before you begin, you need to set up a direct deposit, define your saving goals, and use a budget rule. So to set up your paycheck-based savings, since Credit Karma does not support multiple or name sub-events for different goals, you can track your buckets separately using a spreadsheet or a budgeting app. So you need to calculate your total saving transfer, create a single savings goal, track your savings manually move funds for specific goals, which is completely optional, and you are all set. I hope you found this video helpful. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.